Hello kids, let's start our class with doing words. Today something new we will do. Come, what is it? Let us see. Doing words. When we add ing to doing words, we follow these rules. Some rules are there to follow. Okay? What are they? Let us see. We add ing to some doing words without making. Just you see children what it is written, without making any changes. So there is no need to do any change. For example, walk, W-A-L-K, walk. Just simply it is ing is added and it is becoming W-A-L-K-I-N-G, walking. Walk, so it is changing walking. Same way, read, reading, sleep, sleeping. This part you have understood what I have told. There is nothing change. Just we are adding ing. And all this is doing words. But next one you see, with some doing words that end in E, we drop the E before adding ing. Let us repeat this one to understand more prominently. With some doing words that end in E, we drop the E before adding ing. With example, let me clear the thing. Give, give, when you give something to someone, give. So giving, giving, it is changing. See, this E is changing. Give. See, when it is changing to ing, what it is written? Giving. See, E is not there. Instead of, it is dropped down. Here it is written, no? We drop the E. So, this E is no more in this word. Just giving. Next another, with some example, I'll make you more clear. HIDE. So it is becoming HIDING. So again you see, this E is not here. We cannot see. So we have dropped hide. HIDE, it is becoming hiding. Dance. DANCE, dance. See here again E. It is so fun, no children? But when we are writing dancing, I am asking you, will you dance? So in that word what I am telling, DANCE, dance. But when you are doing the dancing, you are performing, INGC is added, here the E is not there. So this part, I hope you have understood. So here the next part I will make you understand. See children, we add ing to some doing words, often doubling the last letter of the words. This one children, you repeat with me. We add ing to some doing words, often. Okay? Doubling the last letter of the word. With examples, let me clear the doubt. CUT, cut. You will cut some vegetables. That I am telling. but you are doing that thing. Cutting, C-U-T-T-I-N-G, cutting. You are cutting vegetables or you are cutting the paper. So here it is, when we add the ing, this particular T we have double. Swim, swimming, C-double-M. Run, running. So this magic, isn't it? So this part very nicely you will read. And you know, children, I am teaching you this all doing words from your English grammar book. Doing words. You will read, you will get everything. So some fill in the blanks I have done for you. Fill in the blanks. Okay, children? 2 children are dash books. In the book, page number 40, with the help of some pictures, you will be able to fill in. But here just I am showing you the examples. 2 children are reading. R-E-A-D-I-N-G, reading. 2 children are reading books. The next one, Ria is dash television. Again I am telling you, children, when you will do in the book, you will see the picture. With the help of the picture, you will understand. Ria is, can you guess what I will write? What Ria is doing? Ria is, yes, it's correct. Ria is watching. W-A-T-C-H-I-N-G. And all these words are I-N-G words. Television. So I hope you have enjoyed the class, children. This page number 40 and page number 41 in your English grammar book, you will read and you will do the homework. Okay? Hope you enjoyed the class. Okay, thank you. Tata.